So, would you recommend your ID to your friends and family?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Of course.
Of course. Of course.
Of course.
Hi, welcome to our house. I'm Brian.
Hi, I'm Grace.
And I'm Yao, their ID. This is a modern contemporary look for Brian's and Grace's house. So we are actually wanting to achieve the more darker tone look as well.
We actually found him through Renopedia. So Renopedia sent us 8 IDs, shortlisted 8 IDs based on what we filled in the website. So of all the 8, we gave them our requirements. Actually, Yao was one of 2 who actually broke out of the box and thought to expand the kitchen to accommodate some of the features that we wanted in the kitchen. He has a lot of practical ideas, so he's a functional kind of mindset. And a lot of things where both of us, we will crack our head to save costs. So he has a lot of ideas on how to save costs. And his cost saving measures, a lot of them also from his long time contacts.
I am very fortunate to have been working with Brian and Grace for this house because it gives me a lot of creativity to actually propose what we can do for this house. For example, breaking this wall in the kitchen and making it bigger with one huge island table over here, and at the same time giving them a lot of ideas for their main bedroom and also their bathrooms.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Of course.
Of course.
Of course.
Bye.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.